Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2020 Charger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black cloth performance seats, quick order package 29 and included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, RT badge trailer sway damping, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, STD, tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, white knuckle clear coat, wheels, 20-inch x 8 inches satin carbon aluminum, STD, rear wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's